Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Fixa by IKEA. So last week I was at IKEA and I saw this and I was like, I need this. It's basically an electric build your IKEA closets item. And as you can see, it's an electric screwdriver and it looks pretty funny. It's kind of small, as you can see, built for the hand. It can rotate left, it can rotate right. So you can use it to screw things in and remove screws if you do it the wrong way. And well, of course, I bought this at IKEA, and so it's built for IKEA closets. So you get these bits, and as you can see, well, it's basically all you ever need if you want to build an IKEA product. So basically this is like the perfect IKEA product, right? I mean, no more forcing yourself to screw in stuff and removing screws and whatever when you make a mistake, because well, sometimes it really takes a lot of force and you even might hurt yourself. So as you can see, it has all the necessary bits. It has a light-ion battery, so it works cordless. You can also use it as a hammer, but it leaves some damage, as you might see. And basically it's a great product. IKEA branding here, of course. It also comes with a charger because, well, look at this, how neat I stored it. But you do need this because it doesn't work when it's not charged, of course, but it also doesn't work when it's plugged in. So you need to use it cordless. So that's kind of a minor inconvenience. But it has a lot of battery power in it. When you use it, you can easily build your closets with it. Is it all good? No. There's one bad thing, I gotta be honest with you guys, because, okay, I was building my new closet and it has kind of a thick wall. It needed to screw in kind of thick between a bit of paper and then a bit of, well, you know, cardboard, wood stuff. And well, I really needed to put a lot of force in the back to actually screw it in. So for the smaller closet it's easier to use than for the bigger stuff. You might use a regular electric screwdriver for that. But basically it's a really good item for building IKEA products. It's, well, as you can see, it comes with everything you need. It's only 15 euros, so that's bang for your buck, right? And as an IKEA fan, you just need it. It's like the product you've always wished there was, and now it's there. So if you are an IKEA fan, buy the Fixa and, well, build your closet, build your TV furniture, build your whatever you want. Build your lighthouse. Thanks for watching. This is a 4 out of 5 stars review. See you later, and please subscribe.